Here we come to the service elevator at the library. What is it called again?
Arizona Health Sciences Center.
Arizona Health Sciences Center.
This is the auxiliary elevator in the
This
back.
is the service auxiliary elevator. And you can hear the relays.
Yeah, this is there we go. All right, here it is.
Totally original Montgomery.
Ooh, lots of corridor.
Yeah.
This is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, there's the door operator. Oh, you can barely see up the shaft.
Oh,
There's the emergency light, cab view.
cool air in here.
Let's go down to.
Wait, let's cut the fan off.
Yep. Oh yeah, we can do that on this
Go
one.
on.
It's not keyed. And here we go. Totally original.
Yeah, this thing does not serve the upper floors.
Nope.
It has like the buttons for it, but those are fake. The 6, 5, and 4
See?
buttons.
They do nothing.
Yep.
Let's see if we can go up to 3. Door open. Door close.
Push a button.
Yep. Let's get our cab view here. Emergency light again. Analog indicator, totally original incandescent. ADA compliant phone. Montgomery square buttons.
All right.
Totally original. This is the door open button. Let's turn the fan back on.
Cool. There
I
we
can
go.
show you the light too.